Giraffes, animals of the grasslands. Giraffes. By Kaitlyn Duling. Table of contents. Life in the grassland. Staying safe. It's on page 10. Finding food, page 16. Glossary to learn more, index. Life in the grasslands. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. They live on the flat grasslands of Africa. They are adapted to the hot, dry savanna. Giraffe range. You see here, this is where they're at. This is Africa, grasslands of Africa. They are adapted to the hot, dry savanna. So in the back of your book, the word adapted means it is a place that is suitable for giraffes. It says adapted, well suited due to changes over a long period of time. Dry savanna. Savanna is a flat grassland with few trees. If you look, you don't see a lot of trees. So it's called flatlands, grasslands. Giraffes blend in with their grassy biome. Dark brown spots camouflage them from predators. Well, what is grassy biome? Biome means it's a large area with certain plants and animals and weather. So this area right here, they have a certain plants for the giraffes to eat, and there are certain animals that live there. Dark brown spot camouflage them. It means that the colors on the giraffe and the patterns help animal hide in its surrounding and to keep them from predators, because predators are animals that hunt other animals for food, and there are animals that hunt for giraffes. So there are dark brown spot on giraffes, and that helps them. The spots camouflage them from other animals, predators that like to eat giraffe. The spots also let off heat to help keep giraffes cool. Isn't that interesting? The spots on their body, it let off heat, so it keeps them cool. Giraffe tongues have also adapted to the grasslands. The dark color protects them from the sun because they eat with their mouth, the lips, and their tongue. So the sun is very bright in this area, and so the dark color on their tongue protects them from the sun. Special adaptations: dark tongue, long neck, dark spots, long legs. Saliva protects their tongues too. It coats sharp thorns found in their food. Now, saliva is the watery liquid in your mouth. And so for giraffe, it's the liquid in the mouth that helps break down food. And so when you eat, you swallow, you'll notice that the watery liquid part is saliva. It helps break down the food that you eat. Staying safe. Tall giraffes stand out on the grasslands. They must watch out for predators. Long necks help them spot hyenas and lions in the grass, so they can see very far away, right? If you notice lions and hyenas, they will run. Well, not run. they'll run away in a way. Herd. Look how many giraffes. To stay safe, giraffes do not sleep much. Some only need 30 minutes each day. One giraffe is the lookout while the herd sleeps or eats. So they 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe the 4 of them will take a 30 minutes nap while this one look out and see if there are any hyenas and lions, and they will warn them. Actually, they're seeing one more right here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 giraffes. Giraffes run fast from predators on their long legs. See how fast they are? If a predator gets too close, giraffes can kick. Look at that. Finding food. The savannah is hot and dry, but giraffes can go days without water. Giraffe diet. It means the food that they eat. They like acai trees, wild apricot trees, and mimosa leaves. They get most of their water from food. They also sip on morning dew. Now, early in the morning, if you go out in your backyard, and sometimes you can see tiny drops of water that form on plants and at night. So on leaves, the little tiny drops of water that's on a leaf, that's called dew. So they also sip on morning dew. Giraffe necks can be up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters long. They help giraffes eat food other animals cannot reach. You see a tall tree can be as tall as 6 feet or 7 feet or 8 feet or 9 feet, while their neck can reach up to 6 feet long. Because that's how they help the giraffe eat food other animals cannot reach. Giraffes can pluck leaves from tall acai trees. So when you pluck something, it's kind of like pulling. So they pull the leaves from tall tree with their tongue, with their mouth. Giraffe stats. It says right here that conservation status, a vulnerable lifespan about 25 years. They live about 25 years. Long tongues help giraffes grab leaves. The grassland gives giraffes plenty of room to roam and eat. Roam is they wander around in the area and they eat. Glossary. And if you can go on the website on www.factsurfer.com. Learn more. Giraffes.